Happy Mother's Day, everyone. I just wanted to share with you a little bit of what I'm doing today. It's a messy day for me, and I didn't clean up for the camera. This is the real life. This is it. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I'm cutting horn books today for my punch needle customers and cross stitch customers, and this is my mess here. So this is my scroll saw. I can get it on camera here. That's how I cut the wood. Down here is my mess. Over here is more mess. And over here are boards that I've already cut. And this is my mess that I have to clean up on me. So that's it. When I'm all done, I just sweep it up with a broom, and I'm on a second floor apartment, and this is my workspace. This is what I have to work with, so I do what I gotta do. Like I said, I just sweep it up and then it's all gone. So you all have a great day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.